Hey guys, how's it going? CoderMan here. In today's video, we're going to check out wind noise in the Bronco. Alright, we're going to do some night driving and also get some highway footage for road noise, as a lot of people have been asking me about that. So let's get into it. So before I hop into today's topic, I actually wanted to show you a couple quick things. One, I'm getting really horrible gas mileage, so let's see how that looks. But a cool thing is, because the headlights are on and also because it's nighttime, the Bronco over here actually has its headlights on, but it also, you'll notice, it has a painted top, so that's kind of crazy that they'll let me see that here, but I can't have it in real life. All right, here's cruising at about 45 miles an hour. I'm gonna turn the air conditioner off so that there's no wind noise, and I don't know how well the microphone's gonna pick it up, but there isn't a whole bunch of cabin noise, as far as outside. But I'm gonna get onto the highway in just a little bit and go about in the 70s, and we'll see if we get any wind noise or whistling. All right, here's 55, 60. Definitely a little bit more wind noise. No whistling or buffeting on the top. Completely acceptable. If you were coming from a German car or, a more secured car interior-wise, it might be kind of annoying to you. I can hear a little bit of tire noise, but, for me, driving the GT4, it's a race car, so I don't, I already hear lots of loud noises behind me as well as the road. But, this is more than acceptable. I feel like I could live with this, drive long distances. We'll see when I get up on the actual highway. This is still the state highway. When I get up on the interstate and go into the 70s, we'll see how that runs. So one thing I will say is I don't think the doors have a complete seal, especially around the windows, because I'm hearing just a little bit of wind leakage. But, again, not a deal breaker. I'm going to put the camera up closer to that to see if you guys can actually hear it. A lot more body roll in a Sasquatch than there is in a Porsche, but I think that's expected.
For 4 minutes to exit 65A to State Route 85.
Alright, so here's 75. I'm going to bring the camera up higher so you can hear the roof. Definitely louder. Can hear the top, but
watch out, vehicle on shoulder ahead.
75 here and no whistling. Which people are complaining about with the soft top. I'm not hearing that with the hard top at all. Definitely getting some road noise, a lot of tire noise, but I think that's expected, when you're on primarily off-road tires. They're just noisier. But honestly, all things considered, I really would say that this is more than capable for, longer trips. You're not going to get audio fatigue, hearing the outside. I will do a separate test, a separate video with everything taken off, the doors, the windows, the top, just to see. Obviously the windows go with the doors, that was a stupid statement, but everything off just to see how, that would be. I expect it to be much louder. I expect to not be able to hear the stereo because the stereo in this is crap, but we're gonna fix that in the future. So hopefully it was helpful for you guys. I know a lot of people have been asking me about, how does it sound on the highway? How could you drive it? Is it, going to be unbearable or whatever? Honestly, I don't think it is. Like I said, I could more than live with this, no problem. You do have to crank up the stereo a little bit more. You don't have to yell to your passengers. So I think, all things considered, it being a primarily off-road vehicle, this is more than acceptable. So hopefully this was helpful. I tried to catch it as, the audio as much as possible. It is obviously harder to, recreate what I'm hearing, but, this should kind of give you an idea of what it is like in the cabin, and just going for a little night drive to grab some barbecue. As always, appreciate you guys checking out these videos. If you have any, questions or anything, in regards to the Bronco, definitely leave one below. If you're new here, please subscribe. Like this video, as it really helps me, and it tells the algorithm that you like this content, so more people will see it. But that's all I have for this one, so I'll catch you guys in the next video.